Welcome to GRAH Automotive, where flexibility drives success. Nested at the heart of Serbia, our state-of-the-art facility is where the future of production begins. Every day, our dedicated team pushes the boundaries of technology and efficiency, ensuring top-quality production for every client. Here, expertise and precision are at the core of everything we do. Today, we are proud to welcome Petsie, our esteemed new partners, to witness our commitment to excellence firsthand. Today is a special day as we are starting a serial production of the new project. Join us as we walk through our advanced production lines, where innovative solutions are materialized into high-quality products. GRAH Automotive, where innovation, integrity, and excellence come together to create extraordinary outcomes. Join us on our journey of innovation and excellence. Visit us online to learn more.